Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to fix secure boot and TPM 2.0 error in Valorant. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu on your Windows PC and go to Settings. From there, select Update and Security, then choose Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your system will reboot and take you to the BIOS or UEFI menu. Once you're in the BIOS menu, navigate to the Settings tab, and then select System Status. Locate the Secure Boot option and make sure it is enabled. This step is essential, as Valorant requires Secure Boot to be active for its anti-cheat system. Next, return to the previous menu and select Trusted Computing. Inside that menu, find the TPM device setting. Change it to PTT, which stands for Platform Trust Technology. This enables the TPM 2.0 functionality needed for Valorant to run. After making these changes, save your settings and exit the BIOS. Your PC will automatically restart. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.